make the stones, you need a magic mixture with 4 secret ingredients. Want to know what they are? Well, watch closely. Prepare some glue, talcum powder, sand, and black paint. But mix the glue and the talcum powder together with a spoon. After that's evenly mixed, add the sand. Give it a quick stir, just like a cook. Now pour the black paint into the mix. It will start to turn gray as the black paint mixes with the white substance. Once the magic stone mix is ready, place the towel on a cardboard surface covered by a plastic sheet so we can keep it from sticking on the cardboard when it dries. Cover the whole piece with a coat of magic mix.
Opo, wait lang.
The first coat of mixture is dry. Wow, it looks
Nom nom nom.
and feels like real stone. Now, let's apply more layers of the magic mix. Take a look at how we can build a rocket arm in a short time.
Opo, ito na.
Work in stages because this magic paint dries up really fast. Once you've covered a section, take a satay stick and draw shapes of rocks on the wall. Make some grooves, a few tiny paths, and the stone will appear on the wall like magic. Here's another tech tip. Stones in ancient towers are all different sizes. Now let's make a big window. Once this part is ready, add more mixture to the tower
Opo.
and keep creating more stones. Wait for the tower to dry before lifting it. Look,
Galit man ng bata, mabagal man ang mami.
just peel it off with your fingers. Make the stones look
Opo,
more realistic.
watch
Find an old
TV.
paintbrush like this.
Oh,
Try
watch
to get
TV
a smaller
eat.
one so we can
Opo.
paint the details between the stones. Take a look.
Nam 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 nam.
Load the dry paintbrush with black paint and cover
Sarap.
the spaces between the stones by staining bits around the
Opo,
groove.
punas.
Go
Punas.
downstairs.
Hello.
Do the same with gray paint. This gives the wall an even more ancient look. Here's the secret about this tower. Now legend has it that a magic plant grows around it, but it only grows when a true prince is near. Shall we continue with the story to see if the knight rescues the princess? Why? Well, it's this way. Oh, I mean, it's this way. And here is a building powered by the wind. Let's take a closer look. I added a paper cone
Daddy, grabe kumain ang baby. Magalit pa pag hindi na ako magsubo. Oh, galit yan. Ang cute, oh. Padyak talaga. Oh, sige na, oh. Kain! 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 Busog!
Rescued the princess, and they live happily ever after in the magnificent. I simply love